Hello friend, I'm Laia. Welcome to this yoga class for when you are tired and you're running on empty. It will be a gentle class close to the ground, only a few minutes to connect with yourself and your energy. We'll start in child's pose. So bring your big toes to touch, separate your knees, and send your hips back toward the heels. You could use a pillow between the hips and the heels. And then make a bow with your hands and rest your forehead down. Or perhaps you choose to extend your arms forward. Take a moment to maybe massage your forehead from one temple to the other, or maybe mobilize your hips, moving side to side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stop the movement. Let yourself settle. Take a deep inhalation through the nose, letting it expand. And with the exhalation, let yourself relax and soften toward the earth just a little more. Inhale, noticing the gentle expansion. Exhaling, letting yourself relax and soften. One more breath just like that. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhalation, press yourself a little bit up. Extend your arms forward and take a moment here to relax the shoulders away from the ears. Then slowly begin to thread your right arm under the left, and you could take your right ear to the floor, or perhaps your forehead comes back down. Breathe. One more inhale and exhale. Press yourself up a little, extend your right arm, breathe in. And as you breathe out this time, thread your left arm and either take your left ear toward the floor or take your left forehead. It could float or it could find the ground. Doesn't matter. Just notice what feels right for you and the sensation in the left shoulder. And breathe. Let yourself soften a bit. And then on your next inhalation, gently press yourself up, extend your left arm forward, and shift your entire weight forward. Aligning your knees underneath your hips and your hands underneath your shoulders. Take a moment here to perhaps move side to side, or perhaps create a few cat-cows, arcing and rounding the spine. There's no right or wrong. So just let yourself move freely. Or perhaps you rather remain in more stillness, that's all right too. If you're doing circles, switch directions after a while. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then pause. Slide your legs back. Move your body forward and then slowly lower down to your abdomen. Make a pillow with your hands for a moment and rest your forehead down. And you could stay here, or maybe you draw your right knee out to the side, bringing your inner right leg to the ground. One more breath. And then sliding your right leg next to the left. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders for a moment. Inhale, press up, lift your chest to cobra. Maybe move a little side to side as you exhale. One more, breathe in. And breathe out this time. Lower yourself down. Make a pillow with your hands to rest your forehead and slide your left knee out if you'd like a little bit of a hip stretch here. And notice where you can relax a bit. One more breath. And then slowly lift yourself up, and however you want to, roll yourself toward your back. You don't have to do a lot of effort here. And as you roll yourself to your back, Perhaps take your arms overhead, press your lower back onto the floor and stay here. Your feet could come wider and rest the knees toward one another. Or if you rather, you could draw the soles of the feet toward one another and draw the knees out to the sides. And just let yourself breathe here, just a few moments. One more breath in whichever shape you chose, in through the nose. Side out. If your knees are wide, perhaps with the help of your hands, draw them toward one another. Lift your feet off the floor and draw the knees toward your chest. Hands on your kneecaps. Take a moment here to roll, making circles with your knees one way and then the other. On your next inhalation, extend your legs up toward the ceiling, stretch your arms, roll your wrists, roll your ankles, one way and then the other. And then eventually from here, perhaps you come back down to stretch out and lie down on your back. Or if you rather, you could come up to a seat. It's whatever feels best for you right now, whatever level of energy. And then let your hands rest either on your lap or your knees or next to your body, especially if you're lying down. And let's just take 3 breaths to close. In through the nose, out through the nose or the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more inhale. And with the exhale, repeat within or out loud, thank you, thank you, thank you. Once you feel ready, you can open your eyes. I hope that you have enjoyed this short practice for busy people. And if you have, check out these classes as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.